So question 38. A moving block having mass m collides with another stationary block having mass 4m. The lighter block comes to the rest after the collision, and when the initial velocity of the lighter block is v, then the value of coefficient of restitution, that is denoted by E, will be. So these are the options. So we have to find the solution of this. So according to the law of conservation of linear momentum, we'll get this equation mv plus 4m into 0 equals to 4m v dash plus 0. Here v dash is called relative velocity of separation, and by solving this we'll get that is mv equals to 4m v dash. So we'll get this equation after solving this, and after solving this we'll get the v dash, that is the relative velocity of separation, and we have to calculate the coefficient of restitution, that is E. So this is the formula: relative velocity of separation upon relative velocity of approach. We have already solved the relative velocity of separation, that is v by 4, and relative velocity of approach will be v. So after solving this we'll get the coefficient of restitution, that is 1 by 4 equals to 0.25. So the right answer will be 0.25, option D.